Hey, Donald Miller here, Donald Miller's Electrical Services. So, we just got done rewiring the home, and we're about to do a dry fire. A dry fire is just to verify that the house is 100% remediated in knob and tube. So, during this time of dry fire, I'm going to show you our plaster patching. Okay, and this is authentic plaster patching. We have yet to put a brown coat on, but I can at least show you the prep work that's involved before we do a brown coat. All right, so this is a channel. Here is the wood lath that we're replacing, and we also add wire mesh. It just bonds better, and it gives it a stronger sealant. All right, and then we replace the wood lath all the way across, place the wood lath that's in the ceiling. And this rewire, I'll show you a couple spots here. I'm not gonna make a long video, just gonna do a couple spots. So that's a hole, a little bit large of a hole, but it is a hole. And so we're gonna wood lath, wire mesh, and nail plates on that one. Here's another one. All right. And this makes for a very strong patch. So most of the knob and tube rewire is involved in how to get the wires in the correct spots. If you do not do proper precautions, then you're gonna butcher the sealant, and that'll should be evident as time goes on that the sealant will start cracking. So if you do a proper patch, which is like a brown coat, and it's authentic plaster patch, it's a better quality product, and it's gonna help with the longevity of the home. So I'm gonna just show a couple more spots before I get on with this. Here's another one. Now, this one, you can see that we're gonna rebuild this entire switch. So this is all gonna get a brown coat in here, all around the sides. And this switch is gonna become part of the wall again. There's no better way to do a switch than to rebuild it with plaster. Above it, here you go. And let me see if there's, no, that's basically it. There's a couple more spots up here. We'll go take a look. And again, here we are. That actually needs a nail plate there. All right. And again, here is our switching prior to rebuilding the plaster around it. All right. So that's basic how we patch plaster. We do authentic plaster patching. So today is going to